It begins with pure imagination, dreams transforming into shapes, evolving and interacting in all dimensions. Form, materials, fit, function. Embedding it in the environment and experiencing the product before it exists. CATIA is more than designing shapes. CATIA is about engineering systems in the context of the whole experience. A flash of inspiration and innovation, creating precise scenery from early concept to stunning visual experiences.
It's about style and usefulness. The user interface is clean and coherent. You get the idea very quickly. I'm very proud to be a part of the CATIA Imagineers community.
Now, thanks to the latest CATIA tools, new, exciting perspectives are possible. CATIA 3D experience will gradually enable us to tend towards a virtual experimentation of the aircraft.
CATIA 3D experience helps us to translate our most important values that are imprinted in our DNA, like elegance, purity, innovation, directly in our digital mockup. This is where our dreams can transform into reality.
CATIA, designing and engineering in the age of experience. Whatever product, any size and sophistication. Designing and interacting with smart connected objects. CATIA drives and reveals the profound change in our consumer lifestyles, from buildings to cities. CATIA, shape the world we live in.